The 4th of July is synonymous with fireworks, parades, and most importantly food. Across the United States, backyards transform into culinary battlegrounds where grills sizzle and picnic tables groan under the weight of hearty dishes. But have you ever wondered why certain foods like hot dogs and apple pie take center stage during these celebrations? The answer lies in a fascinating blend of history, tradition, and a dash of American ingenuity. Food has always been a core component of any celebration, but for the 4th of July, it transcends mere sustenance. From the first hot dog to the last scoop of ice cream, each bite tells a story of American resilience and community. We'll explore how they came to be associated with Independence Day, delve into regional variations, and understand their role in fostering a sense of community. As we embark on this culinary journey, let's remember that food is not just about nourishment, it's about connection, heritage, and, in the case of the 4th of July, a celebration of the freedoms we cherish. The hot dog, that quintessentially American delight, has humble beginnings. It is believed to have originated from German immigrants who brought their beloved sausages to the United States in the 19th century. These sausages, initially sold by street vendors in New York City, quickly gained popularity. The introduction of the bun, a stroke of convenience genius, made it easier for people to enjoy this tasty treat on the go. As the 4th of July became synonymous with outdoor fun and family gatherings, the hot dog naturally found its place at the center of these celebrations. Its simplicity and ease of preparation made it the perfect food for backyard barbecues. Over time, the hot dog became more than just a meal, it became a symbol of American ingenuity and the joy of casual dining. In Chicago, you might find it adorned with pickles, tomatoes, and a dash of celery salt. In New York, a simple combination of sauerkraut and mustard reigns supreme. The hamburger, much like the hot dog, owes its American roots to European immigrants. Its origins can be traced back to the 19th century, when German immigrants introduced the concept of minced beef patties. These patties, initially served without buns, were known as Hamburg steaks, named after the German city of Hamburg. It wasn't long before the idea evolved and the hamburger as we know it today was born. The 4th of July provided the perfect backdrop for the hamburger to shine. Its versatility and ease of customization made it a favorite at family gatherings and community picnics. Whether topped with cheese, lettuce, tomato, or a variety of other condiments, the hamburger became a canvas for American creativity. In California, you might encounter the avocado-topped burger, reflecting the state's love for fresh produce. In the South, you might find burgers garnished with a tangy slaw, adding a unique twist to the classic sandwich. No 4th of July celebration would be complete without the mention of apple pie. This dessert, often touted as the epitome of American cuisine, actually has its roots in Europe. Early colonists brought apple seeds and pie-making traditions with them from England. Over time, the dish evolved, incorporating New World ingredients and techniques, ultimately becoming a symbol of American identity. Apple pie's rise to prominence can be attributed to its simplicity and the abundance of apples in the United States. The dessert became a fixture at family gatherings and community events, including 4th of July celebrations. In the North, you might find it spiced with cinnamon and nutmeg, while in the South, a dash of bourbon might be added for extra richness. These regional twists add depth to the dessert, making each slice a reflection of local tastes and traditions. Corn on the cob is another staple of 4th of July celebrations, and its history is deeply intertwined with America's agricultural roots. Corn, or maize, was a crucial crop for Native Americans long before European settlers arrived. Early colonists quickly adopted it, recognizing its versatility and nutritional value. Over time, corn became a staple in American diets, symbolizing sustenance and abundance. The tradition of enjoying corn on the cob during the 4th of July can be traced back to early summer harvests. As families gathered to celebrate independence, corn, fresh from the fields, became a natural choice for the festive table. In the Midwest, you might find it slathered in butter and sprinkled with salt. In the Southwest, it could be topped with chili powder and lime juice, reflecting the area's Mexican culinary influences. These variations highlight the adaptability of corn and its ability to reflect local tastes and traditions. Ice cream, with its cool, creamy delight, is a perfect treat for the hot summer days of July. Its history in America dates back to the colonial era, when it was a rare and expensive delicacy enjoyed by the wealthy. However, Advancements in refrigeration technology in the 19th century transformed ice cream into a treat accessible to all, making it a favorite at 4th of July celebrations. The 4th of July provided an ideal occasion for enjoying ice cream. As families gathered for outdoor festivities, vendors and homemade churns ensured that everyone could indulge in this delightful dessert. In New England, you might find flavors like maple walnut, showcasing the region's maple syrup production. In the South, peach ice cream pays homage to the area's abundant orchards. These regional flavors add a unique twist to this beloved dessert, making each scoop a reflection of local tastes and traditions. The United States is a vast and diverse country, and this diversity is reflected in the regional variations of 4th of July foods. From coast to coast, each area has its unique twist on the classic dishes, influenced by local ingredients, cultural heritage, and historical events. In the Northeast, seafood takes center stage. Clam bakes and lobster boils are popular, showcasing the region's rich maritime heritage. In the South, barbecue reigns supreme. Slow-cooked meats like pulled pork and ribs accompanied by sides like coleslaw and cornbread reflect the region's culinary traditions. Out west, you'll find a fusion of flavors influenced by Mexican cuisine. Grilled meats, fresh salsas, and dishes like carne asada and fish tacos add a vibrant twist to the traditional 4th of July fare. These regional variations not only add diversity to the holiday table, but also reflect the melting pot nature of American culture. Barbecue, with its smoky, savory allure, is a hallmark of 4th of July celebrations. Its origins can be traced back to Native American cooking techniques, which were later adopted and adapted by European settlers. Over time, barbecue evolved into a distinct culinary tradition, particularly in the southern United States, where it became synonymous with communal gatherings and celebrations. The 4th of July provided the perfect occasion for barbecuing. As families and friends gathered to celebrate independence, the sight and smell of slow-cooked meats became an integral part of the festivities. In Texas, beef brisket reigns supreme, smoked to perfection and served with a tangy barbecue sauce. In the Carolinas, pork is the star, often slow-cooked and pulled, then topped with a vinegar-based sauce. These regional differences highlight the adaptability of barbecue and its ability to reflect local tastes and traditions. As you enjoy a plate of barbecue this 4th of July, remember that you're partaking in a tradition that is as old as the nation itself. One of the most beautiful aspects of 4th of July foods is their ability to bring people together. Whether it's a family gathering, a neighborhood block party, or a community picnic, the foods associated with Independence Day foster a sense of unity and shared joy. These celebrations are not just about eating, they're about connecting with others and creating lasting memories. The communal nature of 4th of July foods can be traced back to the early days of the Republic. As the nation grew and evolved, so did its traditions. Food became a central part of these celebrations, symbolizing abundance, gratitude, and the joy of freedom. The act of sharing a meal, whether it's a hot dog, a hamburger, or a slice of apple pie, embodies the spirit of togetherness that defines the holiday. Each region brings its unique flavors and traditions to the table, creating a diverse and vibrant tapestry of tastes. This diversity not only reflects the nation's cultural heritage, but also enhances the sense of community by celebrating different backgrounds and traditions. The foods we associate with the 4th of July have evolved significantly over the years. What started as simple, locally sourced dishes have transformed into a diverse array of culinary delights, reflecting the nation's growth and changing tastes. This evolution tells a story of innovation, adaptation, and the enduring spirit of celebration. In the early days, 4th of July celebrations featured foods that were readily available and easy to prepare. Corn on the cob, fresh fruit, and simple desserts like pies were common. As the nation grew and technology advanced, new foods were introduced, and existing ones were adapted to suit the changing times. The introduction of refrigeration, for example, made ice cream a popular treat, while the rise of the barbecue culture brought smoked meats to the forefront. As people migrated and settled in different parts of the country, they brought their culinary traditions with them, enriching the national palate. This blending of flavors and techniques has created a dynamic and ever-evolving food culture that continues to delight and surprise. In conclusion, the foods we enjoy on the 4th of July are more than just a meal. They are a rich tapestry of history, culture, and community. From hot dogs and hamburgers to apple pie and ice cream, each dish tells a story of American ingenuity, resilience, and the joy of coming together to celebrate freedom. These foods have evolved over time, reflecting the nation's growth and changing tastes. Regional variations add depth and diversity, showcasing the unique cultural influences that make up the American culinary landscape. Whether you're enjoying a New England clam bake, a Southern barbecue, or a scoop of peach ice cream, you're partaking in a tradition that spans generations and regions. As you gather with loved ones this 4th of July, take a moment to appreciate the foods that bring you together. They are a symbol of the nation's shared values and the enduring spirit of community and celebration. Each bite is a reminder of the freedoms we cherish and the joy of coming together to celebrate them.